To send Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet, you will need to follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the Investing tab on the bottom of the screen. This is where you can access your Bitcoin wallet. Next, select Bitcoin from the list of available investments. This will take you to your Bitcoin wallet. From here, tap the Send button. This button is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies the recipient's Bitcoin wallet. Make sure to enter the address correctly. As Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, you can either type in the address manually or scan the recipient's QR code if they have one. After entering the address, select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can do this by typing in the amount or selecting a predefined amount. Review the transaction details, including the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin will then be sent from your Cash App wallet to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that Cash App may charge a small fee for Bitcoin transactions, and the transaction may take some time to be confirmed on the blockchain. To avoid any potential issues, make sure your Cash App account is verified, and you have sufficient Bitcoin balance in your wallet. Additionally, always double-check the recipient's Bitcoin address before sending, as transactions cannot be reversed. By following these steps, you can easily send Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet to anyone with a Bitcoin address.